There are probably a million ways to become a millionaire in today's world, but one way you won't stop hearing about is crypto. Cryptocurrency has changed the digital space and has led to a complete revolution in the world of digital currencies, creating millionaires and billionaires. But how can crypto make you millions? Does it really work? Find out in this video. Smash that like button before you go on and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more exciting content. You can also turn on notifications so you're the first to know when we drop more videos. Done? Now let's dive in. We currently have close to 50 million millionaires in today's world, with each of these millionaires having a net worth over $1 million. In America alone, there are over 1,700 people becoming millionaires each day. Surveys have shown that millionaires are 3 times more likely to invest in crypto than Gen X. Basically, the younger you are, the more you realize the inherent value of cryptocurrencies. According to JP Morgan, while older investors are going for gold, younger investors are investing in cryptocurrencies. At this time, the market cap for gold is over $9 trillion. And experts have stated that Bitcoin's market cap is sure to exceed gold's market cap within 1 decade. In simple terms, this means Bitcoin will soon be worth more than gold. Impossible? Not exactly. Remember when Facebook, Amazon, and Google emerged in the technological space? Most people were sure these companies would never become anything. They were all skeptical and wary of these digital companies. But what's our world today without Facebook, Amazon, and Google? For some of us, we've gotten so used to Google that it's literally impossible to imagine a word without the search engine. And can you count how many friends you've made on Facebook or how many goods you've gotten on Amazon? This is the point. Cryptocurrencies are still in their blooming stages, and soon they will become the next gold. You heard that right. Today, when you hear of investments, the first thing that comes to your mind is probably stocks, currencies, commodities, and bonds. But these aren't the only safe and guaranteed ways to invest your money. Cryptocurrencies have redefined the digital world, creating a new name for investments generally. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that are computer generated, making use of a decentralized system. The aim of cryptocurrencies is to bring forth a more stable currency, and the truth is, people all over the globe are getting richer daily with these cryptocurrencies. Right now, there are over 984 digital currencies, with several more coming into the market daily. Most of these cryptocurrencies have their statuses shooting higher and higher over and over again. These cryptocurrencies have created an opportunity for investors to earn more millions. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency. It emerged in 2009, and when it did, it wasn't even up to $1. Now, however, the game has changed, and Bitcoin is now worth over $50,000. If you had invested $100 in 2009, you'd have over $5 million. Now, what if you had invested $1,000 or even more? You'd be swimming in money right now. But you didn't, and that's why you're here. How can cryptocurrency make me millions? Is the only question on your mind, and we have your answers right here. At this time, cryptocurrencies are equivalent to bonds and stocks. This means that many cryptocurrencies trade for huge discounts with a great opportunity for investors to grow extremely wealthy. If you have some savings you're not yet sure what to spend them on, cryptocurrency might just be your guy. You'd be surprised what that savings would do for you through cryptocurrencies. Whether it's a few dollars, euros, or some amount in your home currency, with cryptocurrency, you can convert all of that into huge fortunes. The best part about cryptocurrencies is that you wouldn't have to deal with brokers, middlemen, or any form of barriers. You can just make your money easy and swiftly. But to trade a cryptocurrency, you must first be familiar with cryptocurrencies generally and the systems they work with. You must also be well aware of basic business knowledge, such as supply and demand, and the general economic trading at the moment. In addition to these things, you have to be willing and able to take risks. It's one thing to be willing to take risks, and it's another thing to be able to take these risks. Experts in cryptocurrency will tell you that there will be days when you're seemingly losing all your fortune. But they'll also tell you that it's nothing a little patience and tolerance can't solve. With this knowledge, you'll have a massive advantage over other traders, especially the early adopters of cryptocurrency. The error most of these cryptocurrency miners, traders, and programmers make is that they focus on a very small technological innovation that truly helps them earn a profit, without considering how the currency performs outside the exchange market. But you're not making this error. Here's how to make a considerable profit margin using any cryptocurrency you choose to be your primary digital currency. To start with, you have to buy some cryptocurrency. You can't trade what you don't have, and while many exchange markets are willing to offer you any purchase you'd like to make, it is more advisable for new cryptocurrency traders to purchase Bitcoin. This is because you can trade all other cryptocurrencies available in the market with Bitcoin. This is one of the significant advantages of Bitcoin. Another is that you can buy fractions of Bitcoin called Satoshis, instead of buying the whole unit of Bitcoin. Now that you have your cryptocurrency, the next thing to do is search for the perfect exchange. Not all exchanges are good, and not all are bad. You just have to carry out your research before plugging in, so you don't lose all your money. Don't rush to exchanges that will shut down immediately after you go in, or settle for exchanges that will have your money stolen. The best advice is to go to those exchanges that have always performed well since they began. You can now start to trade your cryptocurrency. But before you choose other cryptocurrencies, it's important that you carry out your research here too. This is the best way for you to know how you'll be making your profit. Get some information about the supply details of the coin you're considering, its current and future development plans, and its performance within the cryptocurrency community. If you're able to spot the good coins and invest in them, it doesn't matter whether it's long or short term, you'll definitely make your profits. Here's why we think beginners should begin their trading journey with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has made it very possible for every trader to earn millions, and there are two ways to go about this depending on what you prefer. You could either trade it or mine it. However, mining Bitcoin has now become extremely difficult. The pioneers of Bitcoin engineered it in a way that makes it more difficult to mine as time goes by, and turning up your computer to extract Bitcoin will make your computer hit up and get very noisy. And if you're even lucky to have mined some, you'd probably have spent more on electricity bills. Crazy, but it's the wonders of technology. So, the most realistic and non-power consuming way of earning millions from Bitcoin is by trading it. Just like we said at the beginning of this video, if you had gotten your Bitcoin in 2009, you'd be a millionaire by now. And even though Bitcoin has risen pretty high, it still has a long way to go, and so it's never too late for you to start purchasing some of your own. Trading Bitcoin is risky. In fact, trading any cryptocurrency is risky due to the highly fluctuating prices and volatility that comes with them. But these factors also provide you an advantage, as long as you know your way around the cryptocurrency market. As long as you have some capital to trade, with a little bit of luck, you can easily convert it into millions. Bitcoin has a strong background, and just like everyone knows, Bitcoin is here to stay. Ethereum is another coin that comes pretty close, and it's not yet so high, so you can get 100 coins now and become a millionaire in a few years. Like we stated earlier, Bitcoin does you a big favor by allowing you to buy in fractions and still trade it. Another important thing you want to remember is that Bitcoin holds 50% of the cryptocurrency market, making it the most performing currency today. If you took your notes while watching this video, then you can as well start preparing for your millions. Upgrade your bank account, you'll need it. And if you're still skeptical about whether or not crypto can make you millions, we'd like to take you back a little. It's the early 2000s, and Facebook has just emerged. So many people spoke poorly of the app, while a few wise ones saw it as an opportunity to become filthy rich, so they invested in it. Those who were skeptical are now biting their fingers in regret today, wishing they had just invested too. And those who invested are swimming in money, going by the accolades of millionaires and billionaires. It's the digital era, so wake up already. Digital currencies are soon to become the trend. And not only do you want to be part of the Millionaire Club, but you definitely don't want to bite your fingers in 5 years to come, do you? Being a millionaire means you get to resign from that job that pays you peanuts. And you also get to own your dream house while touring the world with the love of your life. You get to live live the dream, and sleep in luxury, all with a few dollars. And remember, cryptocurrencies are no get-rich-quick scheme. So, if you are looking for those, you're definitely watching the wrong video. But one thing we can guarantee you is this: if you carry out good research and invest as you should, in a few years, you'll be counting your millions. Remember this video when that happens. If you can sense your millions coming, do well to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. You can also leave your comments on your thoughts and opinions. See you in the next video.